Hey guys, I'm making a new computer and I want your comments. So if you guys know a good part that could go with it to make it better, well, you just write it in the comment and I'll check it out. So this is basically what I have bought. I have the ATX mid tower. It's whatever, yeah, I bought the ATX tower with the EVGA N4 790i SLI. And I was figuring I was gonna buy for the processor, an Intel Core 2 Duo. This power supply, 1000 watt, obviously, because I want tri-channel video cards, and it's obviously SLI ready. If you have any recommendations, just put it in the comments, because I want the best here. I'm just randomly picking stuff. I chose the EVGA GeForce GTX 260 core, and well, this looks pretty good, SLI ready and everything. Fits perfectly in my case, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's compatible. And the 2 gig dual channel RAM. I just bought the 500 gig hard drive with the DVD drive that has LightScribe on it. So I'm just asking help on the video card, the processor, power supply, anything. If you have a website to recommend me, I would appreciate it, and just comment below and I'll check them out, man. Thanks for watching.